Yes, there's a snake that flies. Not from your nightmares, from the real rainforests of Asia. And what science discovered about it is beyond belief. The paradise tree snake can launch itself from tall trees and glide over 300 feet through the air. No wings. No feathers. It flattens its ribs, turning its body into a living aerodynamic wing. Nature built a snake that flies. While gliding, it ripples midair, almost swimming through the sky. This strange motion stabilizes its flight. But here's the twist. Even high-speed cameras can't fully explain how it steers. It's one of evolution's biggest unsolved puzzles. Fossil records suggest creatures like this existed millions of years ago. The paradise tree snake could be a surviving fragment of evolution's ancient experiment with flight. It doesn't glide just to escape, it glides to hunt. Silently dropping from above. It ambushes lizards and frogs before they even realize it's there. The jungle's quiet, until it strikes. Few humans have ever seen one glide in person. They live high in the rainforest treetops. In a secret world untouched by people. Most of what we know comes from rare drone footage. A creature that slithers, swims, and flies. Proof that nature still holds secrets. We're only just beginning to understand. Nature hides its most amazing secrets. And we're just beginning to uncover them. If you love this mysterious flying snake, hit subscribe and join us for more hidden animal facts that will blow your mind. Stay curious, the wild has so much more to show.